Number 1. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,995, shows approximately 115,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission, offering smooth and reliable operation. The truck features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. As a 2WD model running on gasoline, it maintains the traditional driving feel of a mid-90s Chevy pickup. Under the hood, it is equipped with an upgraded 454 engine that has been installed to enhance power and performance. The motor includes a new cam, lifters, and a long list of additional new components, reflecting the recent mechanical attention it has received. Number 2. 1992 GMC Sonoma, price $6,000, comes equipped with a 2.8L V6 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, showing 134,000 miles on the odometer. As a gasoline-powered compact truck, it runs and drives well, making it a reliable classic for daily use or weekend cruising. The heat and air conditioning are fully functional, providing comfort in any weather, while the cruise control is currently non-operational. Finished in its original blue paint, the exterior has been preserved with a poppy patina wipe-on clear that highlights its vintage character. The blue interior remains clean and well-kept, matching the overall condition of the truck. With its original styling, solid mechanical performance, and authentic patina, this Sonoma stands as a well-maintained example of an early 90s GMC pickup. Number 3. 1989 Chevrolet S10, price $4,500, comes with an automatic transmission and a clean white exterior that presents well for its age. It holds a clean title and is equipped with a 4.3L engine paired to a 700R4 transmission, with the motor showing approximately 84,000 miles. The truck has been upgraded with brand new wheels and tires, 22-inch rims in the rear and 20-inch up front. A 3-inch rear drop helps level the truck perfectly, while the 5% window tint and ice-cold AC add both comfort and a sleek appearance. Overall, the truck starts, drives, and runs without major issues, though it does need some carburetor work, as it has a tendency to stall once it warms up. With $2,500 invested in the new wheels and tires alone, plus the solid mechanical foundation and clean presentation, this S10 offers a great starting point for a daily driver or a light project. Number 4. 1994 Ford F150, price $6,500. This truck shows approximately 147,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a clean, well-kept interior. Running on gasoline, the truck starts, runs, and drives very well for its age, making it a solid example of a mid-90s F-Series. It carries a clean title and is powered by a dependable V8 engine, with only minimal rust, which is uncommon for a truck of this generation. Overall, it's in good condition for a 1994 model and would be ideal for someone looking for a reliable classic pickup to enjoy as is or gradually improve. Whether used as a project truck or simply as a practical work vehicle for hauling materials, weekend chores, or quick trips to Home Depot, it offers plenty of utility and old-school Ford durability. Number 5. 1985 Chevrolet C10, price $5,500. It has approximately 100,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a 5.7L 350 engine, and a blue exterior with matching blue interior. It runs on gasoline and has been family-owned since new, spending most of its life parked under covered shelter on the owner's grandfather's ranch. Because of that, the truck remains in remarkably clean and straight condition with no rust. It received a repaint several years ago, and while the paint could benefit from a good buff, the body is still very solid. The truck features electric windows and power door locks, and it also includes a custom vinyl snap-on bed cover that has only been used a couple of times. It starts and runs well overall, though a few minor items, such as some vacuum lines and the radio, will need attention. These older C10s are getting increasingly hard to find, especially in this condition. The truck comes with a clean Texas title. Number 6. 1984 Ford F150, price $7,000, features an automatic transmission with a tan exterior and matching tan interior, running on gasoline. It is powered by a rebuilt 5.0L engine sourced from a 1999 Explorer, paired with a rebuilt C6 transmission. Both rebuilds have approximately 2,000 miles on them. The truck holds a clear Texas title, and although the odometer displays 38,000 miles, the true mileage is uncertain. The paint appears to be original, and the truck spent most of the last decade sitting, which left visible signs of age. To bring it back to running and driving condition, the owner recently installed an electric inline fuel pump, a new sending unit, and cleaned the front fuel tank, which had been replaced about 10 years ago. Additional updates include an Edelbrock AVS carburetor, new door cards from Dennis Carpenter, a new dash pad cover, new taillight lenses, and a fresh set of Cooper tires.
Number 7.
1988 GMC 1500, price $4,400, shows 194,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck is finished in a burgundy exterior paired with a burgundy interior, giving it a classic and consistent look. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a 5.7L V8 TBI engine matched to a 700R4 transmission. Although the transmission is currently experiencing some issues, even with its age, the truck remains in surprisingly well-preserved condition. There are no leaks anywhere, and the interior has been kept in very good shape, featuring an intact dashboard and only one small tear on the seat. On the road, the suspension feels smooth and stable, showing no vibrations or unwanted noises. The body retains solid lines, with only a few light scratches and no major dents.
Number 8.
1987 Ford F150, price $5,000, finished in black with a red interior. The truck runs on gasoline and has been extensively modified for performance. It is equipped with a Chevy 454 V8 engine that has been bored .40 over, paired with a performance valve train, a gear-to-gear timing set, a Hollycam, headers, and a full 3-inch exhaust system. Power is delivered through a turbo 400 transmission and a 3.73 rear end with a locker and traction bars. The truck uses a 25-gallon fuel cell supported by a Holley Stage 1 fuel pump. Although it has been properly lowered, it still provides a comfortable ride. Inside, it features manual gauges, a functional stock heater, lights, signals, and wipers, all operating as they should.
Number 9.
1984 Chevrolet Silverado, price $5,250. The truck is equipped with a rebuilt small-block Chevy 305 engine matched to a smooth-shifting 400 turbo transmission. A new torque converter has been installed as part of the drivetrain updates, enhancing its overall performance. Thanks to the refreshed engine work, the truck runs and drives well, offering a reliable and enjoyable experience on the road. Despite its age, this classic Silverado maintains strong mechanical condition and continues to deliver the solid, dependable feel that these older Chevy trucks are known for.
Number 10.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,000. It has around 260,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a gray exterior with a red interior, and runs on gasoline.
It's powered by a strong-running 350 engine with working 4-wheel drive.
A brand new $800 towing package, hitch and wiring, was just installed, and it includes an aftermarket Pioneer stereo.
The truck is inspected until April 2026 and starts, drives, and rides smoothly with a solid suspension.
There is very minimal surface rust. It will need some attention. The driver's side door latch is broken and requires removing the interior panel to repair, and the vehicle stalls when applying the brakes. With a little work, this truck has the potential to be a very solid runner.